If you are into your gaming and into building your own PCs, then please do stick around. I'm going to show you a gaming PC case with superb acoustic properties. Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids, and what I've got here is the Nanoxia Deep Silence 3 case. Now this is from a German company. It's available in this nice black colour or indeed a white colour. It's got some nice features built into the case, and the first thing I'm going to show you is this side panel. As with most PC cases, is removable. It's just got thumb screws on the back, which I've already removed from the case, and we'll just slide this out and show you the inside. It's really nicely made. Now before I show you the inside of the case, I just want to show you the inside of this side panel, and the same applies to the other side panel. It's got this nice acoustic foam on it. This has got some really good acoustic properties. It creates a nice silent environment for you to fit all of your components into. Now as you'll see, it's all powder coated in black. We've got all of the cables inside for the various connections, front panel, I/O, etc. It's also got pre-installed 3 120mm silent fans. So there's one here, and then there's 2 in the front here. Now at the top we've got 3 5 1/4 inch bays. Just underneath we've got 3 2.5 inch bays, and then we've got 5 3.5 inch bays down the bottom. Everything's really nicely laid out. We've also got things like filters. So we've got a filter on the bottom here. I'll just remove this. You can see we've got a dust filter on the bottom. We've also got acoustic foam up the top here, which can be removed, so you can install extra fans or a radiator up the top. And now let's have a look around the front. So the front of the case is a pretty simple affair. It's got a nice sort of gloss finish to the front, and then this top door actually opens, and these are easily removable front plates for your 5 1/4 inch devices. Again, acoustic foam in the top here, which helps, and then we can close this back down into place. Now across the top front edge we've got some inputs and outputs. We've got the headphone output, microphone input, power on off button, 2 USB 3 sockets and a single USB 2 socket. Now just taking a look behind this front panel again, something I forgot to point out to you is we have also got 2 fan controls, and these are sliders, so you can increase or decrease 2 of the fan speeds. The back of the case is as we would expect from any PC case really. We've got the I/O panel opening here. You can see the grill going through to this rear 120mm fan, and you can also see the green fins of the fan as well. It looks really very nice. We've got some additional ventilation here. We've got some grommets. We've also got the PCI Express or PCI card slots just here, and then of course the opening at the bottom for the power supply. So the Nanoxia Deep Silence 3 has got some really nice features. I love the modular hard drive cases inside. I like this front panel, and I really do appreciate all of the acoustic foam. It really does lend itself well to building a quieter PC, and that's a good thing, because if you're building something for either gaming or a general workflow, it certainly does enhance one's enjoyment of a PC if you don't hear those fans so much. So this is a really very good option if you want to build a high performance PC with less external noise. So thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out the other cases in the Nanoxia range, please do see the links in the video description. I will see you all in the next video.